Welcome to another ClearOne product video. This video focuses on the Converge Pro 2 digital signal processors. Converge Pro 2 is the industry's most advanced professional audio DSP platform for conferencing and sound reinforcement applications. It outperforms in any size room, any audio environment, and any application. Our agenda in this presentation is to explain what is different about audio conferencing, give an overview of Converge Pro 2 DSP models, and explain the advantages of the Converge Pro 2 architecture. There are multiple types of audio applications, including residential audio, pro audio, commercial audio, and conference audio, to name a few. Why does conference audio need its own specialized DSP mixer? Conference audio incorporates some features from all of the other disciplines. For example, residential audio, with its making both audio and video together its focus. Pro audio, with its stereo speakers, balanced audio lines, feedback elimination, just to name a few items. Commercial audio, with its use of 70-volt distributed speakers. However, conference audio has its own unique needs: acoustic echo cancellation, noise cancellation, automatic mic mixing. All of this and more is best done with a DSP designed specifically for conferencing applications. Okay, let's look at the Converge Pro 2 family of DSPs. The ClearOne architecture incorporates numerous elements, including multiple models with either 4 or 12 mic line inputs, plus built-in integration for Telco, VoIP, Skype for Business, USB, and Dante. It includes 2 new bus structures to make system building easy and save time and money on installation. The CP2 platform is loaded with conference audio specific features such as first mic priority and adaptive ambience that are already implemented or chosen with a simple checkbox. And these DSPs save rack space and power consumption. ClearOne didn't just start making innovative DSPs for conferencing applications with Converge Pro 2. We started back in the 1990s with the first algorithm for acoustic echo cancellation. Many of the features we developed along the way have found their place in CP2 as well. Such things as distributed echo cancellation, gating group features like first mic priority and last mic priority, processors, faders, macros, presets, and timed events, to name a few. However, we didn't stop there. We have added 2 new bus structures, C-Link and P-Link, long-distance connectivity, automatic feedback elimination, enhanced noise cancellation of 25 dB, and native support for Skype for Business. To understand the model numbers, let's look at a model 128. 12 stands for the number of mic line inputs. 8 indicates the number of outputs that can be mic or line level. That makes up the basic part of the model SKU. Connections that are standard on all the mixers include 4 GPIOs, general purpose input-outputs, 1 USB Type-B connection, which is 2-channel bidirectional 24-bit 48K audio, 1 Ethernet port, 1 DB9 for RS-232 for control purposes such as third parties like Crestron or AMX, P-Link in and out ports, and C-Link in and out ports. Additional models add Dante, primary and secondary connections, Telco, VoIP or Skype for Business, and speaker binding post. Here's the full lineup for the CP2 DSPs. The top 14 models all support acoustic echo cancellation for conferencing. The bottom 2 models are DSPs without AEC, VoIP, or Telco, since they are for sound reinforcement purposes. Here we see a good picture showing the built-in integration of each DSP with Dante, Telco, VoIP, and USB for web conferencing, or just adding stereo audio. The VoIP port can support up to 5 separate VoIP connections. Think 5 different rooms, each supporting from 2 to 5 concurrent calls depending on how many of the VoIP lines are actually used. The USB expander and GPIO expander are peripheral devices that connect to the DSPs via the P-Link bus. They add more USB connections or more GPIO points. Now we can see how a single DSP can add another USB connecting point by adding a USB expander on a P-Link and extending up to 200 feet from the DSP at the same time. This will also work for the GPIO expander. In fact, by utilizing the P-Link connectivity, a total of 3 USB or GPIO expanders can be added to the P-Link, making it possible to support multiple rooms from a single DSP. Now we add our patented BMA-CT, beamforming microarray ceiling tile, to the P-Link family of peripherals, and we get tremendous capabilities. The BMAs have processing built into them as well. That means they don't use up the DSP horsepower in the mixer, and they only send back one audio channel to the mixer, and it doesn't require a separate mic line input channel. There is much more we can talk about on the BMAs, but we will leave that for another video. Here we can see that with the P-Link bus, a single DSP can support 3 BMA-CTs, 3 USB expanders, 3 GPIO expanders, and even a Dialog 20 2-channel wireless mic. More on that in another video as well. The C-Link bus allows connecting multiple DSPs to form a larger system. There is no switch required to connect them, only Cat5e or Cat6 cables. Each jump from a DSP to another can be up to 80 feet or 24 meters long. In a maxed out system, a stack of 12 mixers can support up to 144 mic line inputs, and that doesn't include BMA mics since they have their own processing. The ClearOne architecture with C-Link, P-Link, and integrated connectivity for Telco, VoIP, Skype for Business, USB, and Dante makes for a very powerful and economical system. ClearOne's DSPs are the best solution for your conferencing audio because we believe great ideas need to be heard. Thank you for your time. For more information and training opportunities, go to www.clearone.com.